back to 20 car. The 2025 Chevrolet Spark Unofficial Concept is no longer the city dweller's humble companion, it's now a daring electric hatchback with attitude. Compact in size but colossal in character, it flaunts angular lines, a split-light signature with animated LEDs, and a gloss black aero kit. The glowing Spark Pulse Blue paint shifts hue under different light angles, making it a true urban head-turner. Inside, it surprises with a panoramic car windshield, touch-sensitive climate controls, and vegan suede seats infused with graphene for heat regulation. The center console floats, housing a retractable tablet, and the dual digital clusters provide dynamic feedback based on driving mode. Stacked against the Nissan Leaf, Mini Cooper SE, and Honda E, the Spark punches above its weight with a dual-motor 270 horsepower setup and torque vectoring forward. It delivers range and agility without compromise. Price, estimated between $23,000, $28,000, making it one of the most affordable EVs in its category. Ownership costs, low charging cost, estimated $3,000 annually, with minimal maintenance due to simplified EV components. Driving experience, zippy and responsive in traffic, glides on open roads, and offers tight turning perfect for urban jungles. Pros, bold design, fun drive, low cost. Cons, small cargo space, not highway focused. Performance, 0-100 kilometers height in 6.2 seconds, top speed 175 kilometers height. A compact rebel, recharged and ready for the electric age.